Hello, I'm Mike Walker. Welcome to a demonstration of how to find product information in an SMI-S 1.A 8.0 array. This demo is shown as a quick start guide for the array product on my GitHub site. Now, if you haven't been to the video, go to the video on installation and setup for running mocks to find where that GitHub site is. Now, the Quick Start Guide is a 3-page document that highlights information that can be found in about 10 pages of SMI-S. The 10 pages are the physical package profile and the common profiles book. In this script, we will be working with pywbem 1.1.1 and version 080 of pywbemtools, which is where we get the pywbem CLI that we will be using in the demo. So let's begin. We will switch to my command prompt window. First, we go to our virtual environment for mocks. We'll do that with a work on command. Work on mocks. Now we're in the virtual environment for mocks. So our next step will be working with a mock server that supports an SMI-S 1.8 array. So we need to establish a connection to the array mock. And we'll do that with a pywbemcli command. Pywbemcli, and we're asking for a default output of table format. And we're asking to connect to our array mock. Well, the command worked, and we get a CLI prompt to start entering commands on the array mock. The elements that report product information are instances of SIM product. So we start by looking for classes that report on SIM product. And we'll do that with an instance enumerate command. We're going to instance enumerate SIM product, and we're going to ask for a property list of identifying number, name, vendor, and version. And we see we get one product. This is the Acme product from Acme Corporation, version 1.1.0. The next question to answer is, what part of the array does the product represent? We will determine that by the following command to determine elements supported by the product. And this command is a shrub command. And we're switching to a mock format for the output. We're asking for an instance shrub on SIM product. Now what this is going to do is look at everything that's related, directly related to SIM product. Now, there are a couple of things to notice on the command output. If there's only one product to select from, you're not prompted for a selection. That's what the question mark was for. The command automatically generates a result if there's only one item. The shrub consists of a SIM product physical component association to a physical package. So we have the product, it's a group component on the SIM physical component association, and it goes to a SIM physical package, and the package is a SIM chassis with this tag name. So we can determine, next we'll determine what the chassis supports by issuing the following shrub command on package. We're again switching to MOF format, asking for an instance shrub on sim physical package with a question mark saying we want to select which one, because there happens to be multiple physical packages, and there are 10 of them, but we want the one that's a chassis with that tag name, and here it is. It's the first one. So we'll select 0. Okay. And now we get 3 physical packages in 3 associations. It's a group component on the part component of the container association, and it contains another physical package. We've seen that in the hardware workup. The part, it's also a part component in the product physical component association, which is the last association we just saw. The one that is interesting to us here is it's an antecedent in a system packaging association that links the physical package to a computer system with this name. So that leads to the question, what is this computer system? And for that, we're going to issue an instance get. Instance get on computer system, and we're going to want to select this computer system with this name. So we're going to ask for a property list of creation class name, and dedicated. And the one with this name is the first one, so we're going to select 0. And here we have the system that is associated with package that is associated with product. Basically, the product is for this system. And here I'll point out the system is the array system, and this is how you know you're looking at the top level computer system for an array. It will have a dedicated value of 3 and 15, which is storage and block server. So that's how we've determined that we have a product, and what it represents is the computer system, the top level computer system of the array.